guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today's video is a little bit, actually it's extremely out there. I haven't never actually wore a bright purple, it's purple. I don't know why it shows up as blue on the camera, but it's a purple lipstick and purple eyeshadow. This is the Galaxy eyeshadow look that I created. I hope that you guys love this look. So this look is actually inspired by the Kendrick Lamar song, All the Stars. Once I first heard that song, I loved it, and I decided to create a Galaxy type of eyeshadow look and a really bright bang of a lipstick as well. So let me know what you guys think. Everything that I used for this look is actually in the description box down below. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so starting off with this Galaxy makeup look, I actually did my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link up here so you guys can actually check that out. But for the eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a primer. This is the NYX pigment primer, this right here, and then I'm also going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to start it off. So the primer is, you're able to make sure that the eyeshadow actually sticks onto the lid correctly, and then the Jumbo Eye Pencil is going to give me a brighter base so that when I put on the colors will show a little bit more, well, the colors will show brighter. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you guys can see, it is very, very bright, and what I'm going to do to set the Jumbo Eye Pencil, I'm going to go ahead and use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to put that directly on there, just a little bit. I know that the color is white, but when I put on the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, it's not going to really make too much of a big difference, so I'm going to go ahead and place that on there. Okay, so everything's set, everything is ready to go. What I'm going to use is the Sleek makeup kit, and it looks just like this. It's dirty, it's old, I know, and that's what I use my foundation for, but I'm going to use this purple shade here as a transition color, and then we're going to continue on. Alright, so the transition shade is that purple shade that I used from the Sleek makeup palette. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shallow palette, and it looks just like this here. This palette has so many different options and colors. What I'm going to use is this purple shade right here, and I'm going to create like I'm going to put the shade on the outside, inside, and into the crease. Alright, so now what I'm going to use is the Juvias Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is Jezebel. And I'm going to be placing this inside my crease a little bit, and then on the actual lid. So since I put in the Jezebel here, what I'm going to do to kind of brighten that up a little bit and give it more of a Galaxy look, I'm going to go back into the NYX palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. I don't even remember the shade, but it's this kind of pink reddish shade. I'm going to use this and put it on the lids, and then spread it kind of spread it out through the inner and outer portion. So it's going to be pretty much in the center of the lids. Now this kind of gives you like that Galaxy look, right? So I'm going to go back in with just whatever's left on that brush from the NYX, the purple color, and I'm just going to blend everything in so you have a smooth, easy transition. Now to deepen the outer corner, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the Sleek Makeup palette, and I'm going to use this dark color right here. It's like the black shade. I'm going to use that and actually deepen up my, my outer V. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a black liner and line under my lids. Alright, so I put on the lashes and I actually did a little black liner, like kind of like a small cat eye. I'm going to go ahead and put on my full makeup and then continue with the under my eyes and then put on some lipstick. The lipstick I'm not 100% sure on. I have a couple of ideas, but we're gonna make it work, so yeah. Alright, so for under my eyes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with this NYX eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take this color right here and place it underneath my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the Sleek Makeup palette, and I'm gonna take this the black color, the black shade right here, and I'm gonna place it directly underneath that purple shade. Alright, so for the lips, I decided to use the NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade LSCL36, so it looks just like this. I'm not really used to wearing purple lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that, so it's gonna probably look a little crazy. We're gonna see. We're gonna use this, and maybe on the inner parts of the lips, use this shade, which is just a blue shade. So purple on the outside and then blue on the inside, and we'll see how it looks, and we'll see if we can make it work. Guys, this is the final look. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. All the items that I use in this eyeshadow look and this whole entire makeup look is going to be in the description box below. If you have any questions on anything, go ahead and ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it. This is definitely something different from all of my videos that I've done. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks again guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye.